Dan Green here. I'm the developer of WP Easy Ranker, which is, I believe, the most powerful, most automated, and most easiest to use WordPress plugin you will ever have seen. It's a great plugin for marketers who just want easy, fast results without any of the hard work. How does it work? Well, it could not be simpler. I'll show you in literally 10 seconds how you get started and start ranking your site on Google and start getting completely done for you ClickBank product reviews for your site. So that's daily content, monetization, and Google ranking, everything you need done in 10 seconds. All you need to do is give a new campaign a name. I'm going to call this one Crypto because I've got this working on a cryptocurrency website. I then enter my ClickBank ID. Don't worry, ClickBank is free if you don't have it already. It'll take you literally seconds to get your ID. And then we choose a niche. So as I mentioned, this is in the cryptocurrency niche, but we do have lots of other different ones for you to choose from. Then you just click the button, wait for a little bit of processing, and boom, that's it done. That is literally all you need to do. So you will now start receiving completely original posts related to your niche. You will start receiving ClickBank reviews of the latest products on a regular basis too. And of course, because all of the content is original, you will start getting results ranking on Google. So what kind of results will you get? Well, let me show you. Okay, so let's take a look at the kind of content that the plugin creates for you. Remember, all you need to do, choose your niche out of any of these, click Get Started. And we do have a custom niche here, by the way, in case any of these don't relate to your site. You do have a custom one where you can, with a little bit more setup, you can get this to work in any niche, but we make things super easy by just giving you 8 different ones there. So let's visit the site and we'll show you the type of content that the plugin creates. So if we scroll down here, you can see this has all been created by the plugin. If we have a look at an example post here, you can see that each of the posts gets images, lots of information here, so 3 or 4 paragraphs, all of it completely original, posted by the plugin. If we just go back a second here, and then if we have a look, I'll just show you another quick example, just one at random here. Again, images, lots of text, all completely 100% original, and will be massively rewarded by Google because of that. Not only do you get all this amazing, completely original content posted to your site for you by the plugin, you also get a completely automated ClickBank review posts about the latest ClickBank products related to your niche. So let's take a look at one of those. Okay, so here we can see an example of one of the product reviews that's done for you by the plugin. So this one is about a ClickBank product called Crypto Ultimatum. You can see the full video has been created. So if I just start playing this, I'll just mute the volume. But you can see that if we go along, there's a full demo video about the product. And then there's some done for you sales copy about the product, and you can see here we've even included a bonus, and there's a buy now button. It takes us to the ClickBank site, and if I just tab out at the top here, you can see it's actually got my ClickBank ID. So that's my ClickBank ID added in there. So any sales for anyone who comes to this product here and clicks the buy button, I will get full credit in my ClickBank account. And remember, this again completely done for you, automated by the plugin. You get new product reviews posted for you related to your chosen niche on a regular basis. All you have to do is choose your niche, enter your ClickBank ID, click the button, get amazing done for you content that will rank you on Google, and your site will be monetized for you with ClickBank reviews. But I haven't saved the best part for last. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play you a video. So basically, this site here, this cryptocurrency site, it's obviously in a really top competitive niche, and we bought it inexpensively on Fiverr just about 3 weeks ago, I think it was now, and because we wanted to show you the kind of results that you can get just with all this amazing, incredible highly original, well, completely original content that is posted for you on a regular basis. I wanted to show you the results you can have, the ranking results you can have, and how highly Google rewards that. So, okay, so I'm going to start showing you start playing the video for you in a sec. And what this video is, it shows you the results that we had with the site for 3 different keywords when we bought it. We wanted to demonstrate a site that wasn't ranking highly at all for competitive keywords in this niche. And then after I play the video, I'll show you where it ranks today. Okay, so let's start playing the video. So the video is playing now, and you can see here, so the first keyword we tried is cryptocurrency blog. That's obviously highly relevant to our site and very competitive. And if you scroll down here, you can see cryptocoindude.com is our site. This is on page 1, and you can see that CryptoCoinDude is nowhere. It is not on page 1 at all for cryptocurrency blog. Now we're doing the same with crypto blog. Again, cryptocoindude.com, our site, was absolutely nowhere. If you're not on page 1, you are nowhere, as I'm sure you know. And just to prove this is page 1, and CryptoCoinDude is nowhere for crypto blog. Obviously, again, another really competitive keyword in a top niche. Finally, we tried crypto investing blog. Again, highly relevant to our site, very competitive. And you can see that cryptocoindude.com is nowhere on page 1, so our site is absolutely nowhere to be seen at all. Okay, so now I've jumped over to Google. So this is Google today. So we're going to check out the comparison. We're going to see, we've seen that we weren't ranking when we bought the site just over 3 weeks ago. Now with the plugin having produced great original content for us, a load of new original content over the past 3 weeks, we'll see where we rank. So the first keyword, if you can remember, was cryptocurrency blog. So we'll see where we are for that one. And we scroll down. Boom, there we go. That is page 1, that's our site. If we open that in a new link, you see this is our site. Remember, you just saw it just before. Our site. And that is page 1, position 8. Okay, so now let's have a look at the next one, which was crypto blog. If you remember, we were on nowhere for this one as well. Remember, these are really competitive keywords, but as you can see straight away, boom, that's us, position 6, page 1, it's our site. And then finally, it was crypto investing blog. And boom, position 4, page 1. So that's 3 page 1 rankings we've got on what was a totally old, worthless site. So if you've got an old site that's, that's been lying around, that hasn't been doing much for a while, try WP Easy Ranker on it, and I'm sure you'll be amazed at the success. And of course, if you've got a new site as well, what's the best way to rank? It's to create original content, and WP Easy Ranker will do that all for you. And remember, all of this, every single thing, everything you've seen, all that amazing original content posted for you on a regular basis, all of those review posts with complete videos, bonuses, buy buttons with your ClickBank ID, this thing here with your ClickBank ID embedded. And don't worry about if you don't have ClickBank already, it's completely free to sign up. It'll take you literally seconds to get a ClickBank ID and start making commissions. Everything, all the ranking results, amazing, incredible ranking results, you've seen what we got, all of that is done by just literally choosing a niche, click get started. WP Easy Ranker really is that easy, powerful, and you'll have great success with it, I am sure.